Welcome, we will do a review on the Xiaomi 14 Pro phone. It features an octa-core Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm processor. It comes with a 6.73-inch screen with a resolution of 1440 by 3200. As for the camera, it is a triple rear camera, 50 plus 50 plus 50 megapixel. Front 32 megapixel. Battery, 4880 mAh. It comes in two versions, 12 or 16 GB RAM. Operating system, Android 14. Advantages: unparalleled performance thanks to the new flagship Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. Excellent rear cameras for photography in cooperation with Leica and also support 8K video recording. Design with very good materials and water resistance, but the camera protrusion is relatively large. A good capacity battery that supports 120-watt fast charging, 50-watt wireless charging, and 10 watts reverse wireless charging. The fast charger is included in the box. You will get a distinctive audio experience thanks to the stereo speakers. A distinctive screen from Xiaomi, excellent resolution and high brightness of 3000 nits, with very slight curvatures on the edges, in addition to 4 defects. It does not support the 3.5mm port for headphones, and this is normal in modern phones. It does not support increasing storage space via a memory card, and you will not need it, as the phone's storage space is large. We noticed that the rear cameras protrude noticeably from the back of the phone. The weight of the phone is heavy, weighing 230 grams. But the phone is very good and there are very few flaws. If you finish the video until the end, thank you very much. Just like that, the video is finished. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel,